on your bicycle.
Awesome.
Man.
I know.
What's that other one? Oh, that other one's for your, those are boxers, Jacks?
Yeah. More food.
Wow.
Rich food. Holy moly.
Meat, cheese, orange juice. Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, I know what this is already. It looks like going to be Legos. And I was right, it is Lego Sheila. Got some more Legos. Ooh! Oh, sick Lego Sheila. Nail polish. Oh, nail polish. Yeah. Nail polish.
That is awesome.
And that's all. Oh, nail polish. Mommy.
Man.
Mommy. Oh, nail polish. That feels
Are you
super
excited
solid.
about that?
Yes, I
It's
am.
on your nails, not on the walls.
Yeah. Only if mommy copying our story.
We're gonna have the ultimate battle.
Wow, look at Kofi.
Big.
Ready to go.
So wait, I got something. Here, you. Okay, this is for Bob. Oh, that is so cool. I got one too. Mom, thank you. This is so cool.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Isn't that neat? You guys can make bracelets?
Another one of mine.
Gosh, you hit the
Oh,
jackpot,
look at that.
Sophie.
If I can
Yeah,
watch
so
the
there
jack,
is the
I don't care.
And you get that.
More?
Oh my gosh. Cookie set.
Mom,
You'll
more?
be the cooking,
What?
the cooking queen of Pleasant View.
Hold the paper off. That's cute, Sophie.
Jackson.
Thank you for working in the kitchen a lot.
Another Lego Sheila. Oh. Oh, this is so cool. Huh. What is another present for me? I did some presents.
Nothing to get me to well, I'll probably just get a bite and nothing else.
Yeah. Because that's what you guys said.
What, did they see their new sleighs?
Yeah.
Those are super cool.
Ah.
Jackson, here's one for Mom and Dad for us.
And what time is it?
Let's open this together.
8:45.
You open it. Okay. No, open it. Ready, set, and...
Together. Oh.
Electric toothbrushes. What did you
Monica,
do?
wow.
Why did you give us this?
What did you say over there?
Electric
You said
toothbrushes.
electric toothbrushes. Why did we get this?
Now we have some just like Mom and Dad. Yeah.
So you can have super good clean teeth, huh? And maybe it'll be funner.
No doubt.